In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play Beautiful Mistakes by Maroon 5 and featuring Megan Thee Stallion. Here's a demo of what that song sounds like. But mistakes I make inside my head, she's laying in my bed, and now we lie awake, making beautiful mistakes. I wouldn't take him back, I'm in love with the past, and now we lie awake, making... Hey, welcome back to this channel. If you have your ukulele on you and it's in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A, then let's dive right into this tutorial. Also, you're invited to be a part of my ukulele community on Patreon. It's called the U Crew, and there you'll have access to chord charts, exclusive tutorials, and other opportunities to play along with other uke players around the world. So join the family. Click on the link in my description box below, and I hope to see you there. And finally, I want to thank my friends at Leolani for sponsoring this video and for allowing me to showcase this amazing tenor-sized ukulele model. And I love the rich, warm tone that it provides. You get a lot of dynamics out of this. So if you want to get your hands on this model, then click the link in my description box below. Next, there's 5 chords that we need to know in order to play Beautiful Mistakes. And those chords are C major, G major, A minor, E minor, and D major. Now, if you already know how to play those 5 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead. Otherwise, we're going to break down these chords together. So the first chord for the song is C major. To play that, just take your third finger and press down on the first string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. The next chord is G major. To play that, just take your first finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your second finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. The next chord is A minor. To play that, just take your second finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. The next chord is E minor. To play that, just take your first finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, take your second finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 4th fret. This is E minor. And the last chord of the song is D major. To play that, just take your second finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, then take your 4th finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. This is D major. Now we're going to learn the string pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, tap, down, pause, tap. Let's play through that string pattern now on the C major chord. 1, 2, C major, down strum, ready, play. Down, tap, down, pause, tap. 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 Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be C major for the first half of the string pattern, G major for the second half, A minor for the first half, E minor for the second half, back to C major for the first half, G major for the second half, and then D major for one full turn of the string pattern. Let's play those elements all together now. 1, 2, C major, down strum, ready, play. Down, tap, down, pause, tap. 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 And now let's play the chord progression and the string pattern a little bit faster. 1, 2, C major, down strum, ready, play. Down, tap, down, pause, tap. 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 Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the string pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Beautiful Mistakes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now I'm not holding on, not holding on. I'm just depressed that you're gone. Not holding on, not holding on. Beautiful mistakes I make inside my head. She's laying in my bed, and now we lie awake, making beautiful mistakes. I wouldn't take him back, I'm in love with the past, and now we lie awake, making beautiful mistakes. Na 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 in my head, na 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 in my bed, na na na, ayy, making beautiful mistakes. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Beautiful Mistakes. And that's You Play Beautiful Mistakes by Maroon 5 and featuring Megan Thee Stallion. Thanks so much for checking out this tutorial, and I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to give a special thanks to my friends RJ Hikes and Chance Wagenfield for supporting me on Patreon, which allows me to continue creating ukulele content like this tutorial. Again, don't forget to subscribe, to join the U Crew on my Patreon page, and to check out this next tutorial so you can keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.